Okay, we've got our 1/2 inch dowel, which is a 1/2 inch round by 1 1/4 inches long. We're going to use a 1-inch screw, and we have these 1 inch by 1 inch blocks by 1/2 inch thick. I marked my center so I could drill a hole, and we're going to mount. These are the going to be the side bolts for our figure here. That'll get glued in there, and we're going to screw this onto here, so we'll have our bolt. So I'm going to work on that for the moment. I'm going to drill a hole in here so we can put our screw through. If you try to screw it without drilling a hole, you're going to split your wood since it's so thin. Then we'll take our Dremel and we're going to take a little bit out in here so we can inset our screw. So we'll inset the screw, that way we can cover it up later with a little putty and you won't see the screw hole there. We're going to take our dowel we're going to use, and we just want to drill it in the top a little bit. So we can start our screw in there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. You don't want to over tighten the screw or you'll split your wood. So you just want to get it started in there. And the glue will just keep it from twisting on you or turning on you. So now we have our side bolt for our creature, for our Frankenstein. Like I say, that's going to get glued in there. So that'll be ready. So we'll do the other one. Same thing. 1-inch square, 1/2 inch thick. Drill our hole through here. Use our Dremel tool. Like I say, that's so we can cover this up later and you won't see it. We'll take our half inch dowel here. We'll just drill just a little bit in so we can set our screw in here. Like I say, the glue will just help keep it from turning on you. If you just screw it in, it's liable to spin around on you. Just make it snug so the glue will hold it. So then we'll glue these into here, and we have our side bolts. And we won't put these in. This is the last thing we're going to put on after we get the mouth and everything hooked up and put the ears on, and this was the last thing that we put on it. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. Thanks for watching.